Hey, the freebie bikes. We're here with Levy. Back with our electrics again. I had a charging issue last night. It's annoying because I've just spent so much time going over the electrics on this bike. So much time. So it's a real head banger when something like this happens. It could be something simple I've missed. I don't know yet. However, one of the things I did fit, or had a go at fitting, was, if anyone knows about it, the VFRness. I think this may be the culprit, because when I got this side off, because I was obviously with the charging system, get to do a stator test and whatnot, first thing I noticed, pulled this off, it's just, gets off. I mean, I only set that back in for demonstration. This is how badly it's stuck in there, but there we go. Absolute mess. This is the VFRness. Also, as well, this is just from experience, probably no one can see in there, but there was a tiny little tanger green as well, just on that one there. Probably not many people would have clocked it, but from that side, it looks good. Looks good. But this is why I say to people, looks can be deceiving. If I pull this one out, there we go. Da, 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 da. So much for a great ingenuity of item, because that doesn't look good. I mean, that was just a slight bit of corrosion, like little bit of green I noticed in there, very minuscule, just out the nick of my eye. My eyes ain't too good. And then when you check them out, the camera can focus. Yeah. I've not checked the other ones yet, but they're the positive, but I can't imagine they're much better probably, but essentially the VFRness has just fried my stator system. And I haven't had a chance to go over my bits yet, and this is just the first thing I've clocked, so stator test, we're going to connect everything back together without this, and then we're going to go from there. Yes, don't always... Electrics, motorbikes, water and heat. The four mix up for just a very, very exciting combination, don't they? Maybe bikes out.